Friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Oyewale Sunday, your shoemaking instructor. In this video, I'm going to give you a bit of my online courses. In this video, you're about to watch just a portion of my online course. And what you'll be learning in this is that you want to be learning how this shape is being drafted out. How you can draft your unisex where insole pattern out. That's what you're going to be doing in this tutorial. Please, so watch it. As I said, this is a part of the online course that is currently on. For more information about the online course, look inside the description below. We're going to have a link that's going to navigate you to the online course. So watch it and learn.
Right now, I need to mark this out. So marking it out, what we want to get is to get the insole pattern out. To do that, I will mark. Please, when you marking, you make sure that your marking tools is straight up here, upright, not bending. If it's bent, it's going to be marking something else. So you make it straight up. It comes straight like this way. Make sure your pencil, your pen, your marker you're using to mark it is straight. At the end, that's gonna help us. Okay. Here is what we've marked. We've marked this. We've marked this. So we come now and then start balancing it.
Now, this is the base, the foot part. This is the base of the extension that was added. This is the base for your actual foot. This is the base for your actual foot side view. Beyond that base, okay, actual base. Getting this on. Then, it's highly recommended you can centralize it, but I recommend you target the second foot. Target the second foot, the center of the base here. Target it. Having get this out, for you to measure the breadth, the breadth you have in here will definitely equate the breadth of the sole of the foot. The reason being that it was the sole that was used to get this. So whenever you're making a custom unisex slippers, custom that orthopedic, that one foot is a big different from other, you need to apply this to it, because a uniform thing might not be comfortable for a client with an orthopedic foot. So at this point now, what we get to do is to use our French curves. We need our French curves to start connecting what we want to connect. Mind you, this is where our target is. This is where we are heading to, and this is what we're not going to exceed. We are not going to exceed here. This is guiding us. This is guiding us. We are not going to exceed in here. You can get your design out in two ways: using your free hand, just sketching it out, or using your French curves. Your French curve is going to help you with the curves. When you start bringing it out, you adjust it, you balance it in here, you balance it out, But your friend hand is going to just give you an overview, the opportunity to just be free with your imagination and be able to sketch it out. So we're targeting here. These lines are guiding us, telling us that this is the boundary. In here, we've been able to get these out like this. We make the pen thicker so it can easily come out clear. Come here. The one thing about the freehand is that you still open up, you're using your pencil, you still open up to correcting some things that you've freehandly done wrong, sketched wrong. So this is guiding us. We're working with the lines. Same time we're working with the foot. The skeleton it out, the frame it out, now start looking like what we want to get out, but it's not yet been cut. If you're not so straight with this, please, you can get to use your scissors. Cut it out. Out so we can do some balancing to it. If you can do this with your knife, please do that with scissors. I'm doing it right now. So it has to be very neat, very straight. It's here. This was sketched out. This is it. Hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. As I said, it is the sound, quality sound, HD pictures. That's what you've seen in there. That is the complete my online courses. That's just a bit a cut out of it. As I said, it's not fully illustrated, and to see full video of that, there's a link in the description column below. Just go in there, click it. It's going to navigate you to the online course where you can see how all this can be made, everything, and the material can be made in full. So go in there and then pick up the course, take the course, and learn from it. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video, and if you have not been subscribing, kindly subscribe for this channel. While you are subscribing, kindly give a click to the bell button so you can get a regular update from our subsequent upload on this channel. Thank you so much. The online course is real. Connect to me and let's learn something next time.